Hi, this is Luke Russell here with TradeAlgo, where we use alternative trading systems to identify winning market opportunities each and every day. ATSs are private exchanges that larger institutions, such as big banks or hedge funds, will trade on, inaccessible to the investing public. It leaves the retail market completely in the dark when it comes to speed and transparency of information, and it causes people to chase stocks and options a majority of their trading experience. Well, here at TradeAlgo, our elite machine learning technology is able to identify the top large, mid, and small cap opportunities in both the trending up and downsides of the equation, so that way people can more confidently and successfully trade stocks and options following smart money transactions. Well, let's go ahead and take a look at the trending upside of the equation. We can see SMCI and ENPH. We're going to be taking a look at both of these. Today is Tuesday, November the 14th, popping up on the main dashboard, each with over 200% increases in institutional bullish volume. So no surprises, the stocks are up over 10% as a result. Now, it's important to get that information early. Speed and transparency are critical. Having it before it's moved 10% is what's so important. So let's go to the TradeAlgo Alerts tab. We can see that SMCI is identified at 9:34 a.m., just 4 minutes after the market opens, with nearly double the average amount of bullish volume that's normally picked up on. ENPH at 8:09 a.m. This is more than an hour before the market even opened. Well, if we go to SMCI, for example, we can see that what our technology is picking up on is the fact that in private exchanges behind closed doors, where large market makers trade, typically only $386 million of this stock is traded over a previous 7-day average. Today alone, November the 14th, over 870 million. So hundreds of millions of extra dollars in a fraction of the amount of time by some of the most influential market makers. Now it's starting to make sense as to why it's making a large directional move. Again, it's about getting the data down here instead of chasing it over here. If you had followed smart money transactions, let's say you had done some call options, look at this nice list of triple digit returns. Let's say, for example, that you had done the $290 call option. We're going to take a look at the 5-minute chart because we know our AI picked it up at 9:34 for SMCI. So this is the 9:35 candle. Options were about $1.73 at their maximum $10.28 for nearly a 500% return. But it's not about squeaking every single last percentage point out of it. Again, it's about having the information down here with TradeAlgo at 9:34 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, as opposed to getting it over here after it's already made nearly a 500% move. For example, maybe you didn't even get in the trade until 11:45, and then maybe you hopped out early at just a nice triple-digit return. Still a great day, still a great trade. Get your data down here. Stop trying to chase it over here. And it wasn't just SMCI, there was ENPH as well. Let's go ahead and take a look at that one. We can see here at TradeAlgo.com the huge move the stock made over the course of the day, and the options followed. Triple and even quadruple digit returns in this case. Let's say you had done the $90 call option. We could stick with the 15-minute chart for this one since it was identified in the pre-market. Options for the $90 call opened at 26 cents, hit a high of $3.04 for an over 1,000% move. Again, maybe you didn't get in the trade until 11 a.m. and maybe you got out at a horrible dip over here. Still a triple-digit return. So not only do our subscribers and users have the advantage of speed and transparency on their side by using private exchange networks, we also go a step further to send alerts to people who are busy with work or are newer to financial markets or just want to be a part of a community, whatever it may be. We send out direct alerts based on the institutional volume. Here's an example of the one that we sent out just today, a quick day trade on Netflix. You can see it was sent at 10:59 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Right, so NFLX 1117 440 put. Here's your entry, stop loss, target prices. A lot of institutional bearish volume on Netflix. So we sent out this alert letting people know that at a 40% increase in our position, we're taking most off the table, leaving some runners. And then taking mostly everything off the table later today when it was at a 90% return. There were some people that chose to hold overnight, hoping that becomes a triple-digit return. Most people were hopping out at the 90% mark. Congratulations to our users who were sending us success stories. This is just an example of one of them. We don't have time necessarily to go through all of them, but you could see Netflix 440 put expiring 11/17 right there. This user got in actually at 88 cents, even though the entry was between 80 to 85 cents. Still great, made a 90% return. Guys, stop getting your information too late. Stop seeing only a portion of the market and come join the winning team here at TradeAlgo so you can find out how to get access to opportunities like these each and every day. Give us a call to find out how you can run through a one-on-one demonstration with a lead system analyst, or how you can attend any one of our free live webinars that take place every single day, Monday through Friday. Thanks, guys.